Hello. Am I live? Yes. Okay. So last time I was playing with Rust and Bevy. Making a shooter, but it's not really advanced now. It's just showing an image and move it, so really basic. It's not even worked. Okay. So I was printing something. Let's remove that. Yeah, I still don't know why the compilation is slow. I know you can improve it, but I don't know. Okay. Yeah, I want to cap the speed of the player. Yes, I was looking why is my velocity? Yeah, I know why. I remember now. It's because it's related to division multiplication by 0. I think I'm trying to play with an unit vector, but the unit vector is 0, 0, so it's not a unit vector. And it needs a direction. So I need to do this code only if the player move. If it didn't move, I don't need to change its velocity. But I need to reset it. So I need a condition here, like if player move, do that. Otherwise, you do player velocity, so 0. Can you do .x? I think you can do that. No. Let me check. I want to change the velocity. I got the speed. Yeah, so normalize. Let me think about it for a second. Yeah, this is how I assign it. Why it's 0 here? I don't. It's a tuple, but yeah, no, okay. Is that because it shouldn't be 0 here? That's strange. Because I'm not manipulate a tuple here. Because I did tuple it inside the let, I think, so I don't need the 0. I think I can do that. I'm not sure, but maybe that was why it wasn't working. Check for 1 second. Yes, for player velocity. Okay, I cannot do that. It's really a struct. No field. Yeah, it's. I think this thing was data pling it. but apparently it's not what it does. I don't know. Let me just can I use debug? Yeah, I have debug macro, I don't know what it does. I'm wondering if it's going to compile even if I have error here. It doesn't like my debug. Maybe it's need a reference. Yes. I don't know what the debug macro is doing. It showed me all the warnings, so it cannot compile. Do I need to... Maybe I need to do that, I don't know. Debug. You may be missing a string literal. Okay, it's the same way you use that, so you need to do that to debug. No, it's not happy. You need to implement display. My player velocity doesn't implement display. Oh, is that the only way to debug is doing that? Yeah, it looks like it. Because what I don't understand is yeah. So I have a mut velocity. So I don't know what type it is. I don't know what type it is. It says no. And I don't know why the Rust compiler or checker cannot guess what type it is. It should be able to do it, but it can't. But it's clearly a velocity with a vector. So it's a struct. Velocity is a struct. There's a tuple, but I don't know, that's strange. Let me check the documentation. Normally it's a built-in component. Nothing. Nothing. Did I add it? No, I didn't add it. Yes, I added it. Yeah, okay, I'm a fucking moron. This is me that did that, and I'm wondering why it works this way. It's because it's a... But vec2 is a build type. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. I'm stupid. No, that makes sense. Okay. So if I let that... Yeah, I'm wondering... That player move doesn't exist, but... Yeah, the ugly way is of course with that. Equal to false, and whenever you move, you just set it to true. I wrote player movie. Player movie. Okay. It doesn't like it. Not let, of course. Doesn't like it. Okay, why? Get assigned twice to immutable. Oh. Yes, of course. Unnecessary. Okay. So if it moves, I know I have a direction on my velocity. I want to normalize it. So that's correct. And if it didn't move, I want to set it to 0. So velocity dot 0 equal. Yeah, can I use vec2? Vec2. How did that? Do I create them? Just vec2. So yeah, like that. Okay, this is what I want. I want to reset the vector to null. Technically, it should show my player now. Yes, it does. And the speed is capped, so that's what I wanted. So it's the same speed horizontal and vertical, and when you go diagonal also. So you need to control, the speed is controlled here, so it's a bit slow. Let's put 200 like that. So I don't need that anymore. I think the next step is to display an enemy and to make my player shoot. Maybe make my player shoot is a good step. Okay, but the speed is not normal. I'm missing some multiplication somewhere. So I normalize it. Yeah, I need to do time. The stat speed. Stat speed. I don't have that. Yes. No. Speed component. Yeah, it's added here. Should be correct. Yeah, I think it's correct. Check. Okay, this is too much, but this is the idea. So let's put it in, 20 maybe. 22. That's kind of boring, that's compiling is so slow. Maybe it's normal, I don't know. Should check that. Because when I saw some people using bevy and compiling was very fast. Okay, 20 is way too much. Yeah, because it's not it's not look like it's pixel by second. I don't know what's the 22 mean, because it's really fast. If I do 1, I think 1 is like 60 pixel per second or something like that. Depend on the frame, but yeah, 1 is, I don't know. So I should check the speed, the size of the Yeah, the size of the image because it's too big. I think it's probably easy to do, but it's probably into the transfer. Yeah, I have the scale here. But I don't want to use the scale, I want to say with height something. Doesn't exist. Transform. Yeah, missing a lot of things here, I don't know. Bevy 0, yeah, but components? There's nothing into this documentation. Rect. I know there is the transform. Maybe it's sprite or image, I don't know what it is, but maybe I should use the example of bevy. See, there is something related to it, but let's try that. No, I don't want to switch, so I want to search for width in Rust, and I want change the directory to example. Yes. Cube for the window, for the text, for the pixel of the text. No, it doesn't look like there is. I'm sure there is thing like scale or thing like that, but that's not what I want. Scale. It's just me if I'm doing like scale 0.5. It's probably going to work this way. Yeah, probably my image all have different size, I think. I don't know. Yeah, okay, this is maybe how you need to do it, I don't know. Okay, let's keep it that way for now. Don't bother with the scale. But yeah. Okay, my bullets are broken. I can use laser beam for... okay. So what I want now, either I'm creating the bullet or I'm creating the... Yeah, I'm creating the enemy. Yeah, let's do the enemy first. I just need a new component, call it enemy. The enemy is... so if the movement is also movable, so it's going to be really ugly very soon, but let me just add it right now here. So spawning a player, spawning the camera, and let me spawn an enemy to spawn. So you have, let me just copy everything. Okay. So let me scale it. So yeah, I'm modeling the asset loader also, because how does he know that? That's kind of strange also. Asset loader, what's asset server? So it's load an image. I'm surprised it find it like that. Yeah, it's like a convention is going to look into the assets folder. Let me take an enemy. We take yeah, this is perfect. Let me take this image. How do I copy the name of the image? I don't know. So this way. Okay. So you create an enemy. So the enemy is kind of the same. So got the sprite bundle. Got the velocity. Got the velocity. Then it's also the speed. Okay, I fucked up something here. Is that here? Okay, it's there, I think. Okay. As velocity, it has this thing. So speed, well, let's start, and it's an enemy. So the thing, where does it start? Is that more complicated? Let's just start it. Player position. I just started enemy position here. So do it. I think I need just to do that. Divide by 2 minus maybe. I think this is the correct position. And now what else? Yeah, the position, the scaling, that's it, I think. Okay. It's moved the same. Well, yeah, the thing is that it has a velocity of 0, 0. Is that the thing? Because it has a velocity of 0, 0, it won't move, but it will show my my enemy. I think. Let's see if it shows it. Also, I'm very surprised at something because I'm not rendering anything. I don't play with the render, it's automatically render the... Okay, there's a problem. Yeah, obviously I'm missing something here. Yeah, I missed the... Okay, me just do that quickly. Into the assets. Assets, so there. Let's copy this one. Okay, now it should find it. No, it doesn't find it. Task pool panicked. Multiple entities. What's wrong? What's wrong with it? I don't know. Looks strange to me. Okay, my player here. But why it's panic for some reason. Maybe I didn't recompile it. Yeah, because I changed the image, I didn't have any change, that's why I think. Oh, okay. Result in WAP. Multiple entities. Yeah, I know why. It's because on my system, I think I'm trying to do a get single nut unwrap here, and because it gets several objects, it's crash. But I only have one player, so I don't understand. Maybe that's here. Yeah, okay. This is a single nut here. Okay, so I need to loop it. Let me check what I can do with the query because I don't really remember. This is the most important things. The query here. It use learn, I think. No. Okay, let me check on the example. CSS query. No. State, system chaining, system param. I think this what is pretty good. Probably something like iter or something like that. Yeah. We get a query iter. That's all. Okay. So instead of doing that, I'm just doing query.iter and how do I use that? It's a for loop on that one. Yes, okay. Yeah, for in there. No legs, obviously. Still decouple it. Iter. As I can. What's wrong? No, it's okay. Yeah, you get the transform from each entities. Velocity, yes. Transform. What's wrong with that? Cannot borrow as mutable as it's behind a reference. It's us, okay. No? Do I need to do detuple as ref here? Oh. What's wrong here? Yeah, I should know that. No, that makes no sense. I don't really Because there was no, I don't know why. I don't understand the error. It's like I'm borrowing something that's already borrowed, something like that. I'm playing with a reference of reference and it doesn't like it. Cannot be, yes. Yeah, but I want to dereference this thing, not... No, I cannot do it. I don't understand why. Game state, yeah, but it's the state of the game. Do I have a mutable somewhere? If I see an example, I will get it, but... Yes, not transform, I'm using the reference E, yeah, but I want to change what's inside it. I don't want to change the reference or the component. So that's different. Ah, this is why, because I need to do itermut. I think that's why, okay. Oh, the error was really confusing. Cannot borrow as mutable as behind a. Yeah, the error was confusing because that's the difference between query iter and not here. But if I remove that, yeah, that's really, I don't know. Iter mut self, and if I do just iter, just take a self. I mean, I cannot change what inside it. Yes, that's why, okay. Okay, so let's... technically it should just run and showing me the enemy. Okay, so that's what it does. So now I want to flip it. So let me go into the transform here. Let me go into do we have a flip? No. Let me check on the documentation. Do we have a flip here? No. Rotate. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's on the transform. You can, if I'm doing like something like minus this thing, maybe it will rotate it. Let's just check. I'm not sure, but check that. It look like it's rotate, no? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's rotate. Me just, if I'm doing that. Ah man, it's not the right one. Yeah, but I will see on my player. Okay, course. Yes. Okay, so let's be... So this is correct. 0.5 here. So next step is making move it, and all you need to do to move it right now is just say, okay, I'm going to move. Yeah, I'm good. No, yeah, the start, but that's a problem. Yes, you have a system that's play with the keyboard input. Let's keep it that way. But do I need a system that's control the enemy, like the AI or something like that? Yeah, maybe the stat should be rename max speed, because just keep it speed, but I don't know. Yes, there's ton of way to do that. I can give like intention to my keyboard input, like changing the component, like have an enumeration and changing the direction, and doing the same for the enemy. And if I do that, I can have a system that's just going to use the direction, and with the direction, move everything that's movable. Or I can keep it that way. I need... Because if I want to make it move right now, all I need to do is make the velocity to something. You know, at 1, for example. I'm going to move 1 here. And it's going to move. Of course, it's kind of suck, but... maybe it move it in reverse direction, I don't know. Yes, it will move in top direction. Yeah, it's not a scalable system, but... Okay, this move, but... Yeah, I don't know if I should... I don't know how to move it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, you can use tweet, because I want to have some kind of chaotic movement. I want to have complex movement for the enemy. Otherwise, if it just go straight line, it's just not fun. Yeah, it's not really animation, but it's animation on the movement. So it's like tween was bevy. Tween, yeah, something like that I want. Bevy easing. What's that? Custom size. I can do custom size on the sprite? Oh. Can do that? Sprites. Custom size. Yeah, it's pretty much what I want. Let me check how this thing works. Cool, there's a lot of example. Easing, baby, easing. Sprite size, sprite color. Transform rotation. Transform rotation. That's what it does, this thing. Let's check. Feature example. I cannot do that? I think I could do that. Bevy easing, okay, the features example. I don't know. Cargo run. It doesn't work for some reason. Maybe the name. Did I give a name? Yes, I did. Give it pause for casting. Doesn't move. Okay. I don't know if it's going to work. Doesn't look like it. I don't know why I cannot run this example. Do I need to do cargo build first? No, I don't think so. I don't know. Well, maybe with the code it's enough to... Wow. All the easing, okay. So you add the plugin like that, then you can use it. And yeah, where does this come from? Sprite. I can use that everywhere. My sprite as a sprite bond. Yes, okay. Yeah, I can. Yes, a default. Okay, I understand. That's all. I can change the size actually. Yes, like that. I can go there. Yeah, okay. Custom size. Okay, I see. I see. Flip. That's. I should do it, I think. Yeah, obviously that's how I should do it. no scale, and I need a sprite here. The default, and do I need yeah, I need a custom size of some back to 2020, for example. Doesn't like it for some reason. Body without path. It's vector, oh, of course. No? Ah, yes. Of course. Oh, do you have it? No. Okay, like that. Oh, still an error. I don't know why. Ah, it's still a float. Okay, so it gives custom size this way. Let's do the same for the enemy. Yes, and I want to flip it also. Flip X. So no, flip Y. True. Okay. Yeah, so I'm wondering what OS to use easing framework. Got insert here. Is function, so it's adding a function. That's a lot of function. That's strange. Oh, okay. It's an example for every single one. So just going to be the is function here. Okay. I don't really understand. Is to, okay. So it's adding on the transform a is to. So I think, yes, that's what it does. On every translation, you got an is to object. And then you say, okay, it's going from there to there, I think. Yeah, okay, so yeah, the thing you decided, you can, I don't know. Maybe I should see the doc, because on custom object, how it's going to work. Because maybe it's adding to the transform, but if you want to do it on the speed object, for example, you probably need to add something, like add a macro or something like that. Custom maybe. Let's check custom. Probably need to add something. Yeah, you need to implement something like scalar on this thing. Custom components, yeah. I don't want to do that. Yeah, it's not that complicated, but Yes, but they don't have speed. Yeah, but duration, pause, okay. I'm wondering something because I can move it this way, but I'm losing the speed of the things. You know, it's going from that to that in 1 second. That's what it means. So it's not like I give a direction and say it's going to be I don't know speed of 2, but I don't have control of the speed anymore. Yeah, that's very different. To give it an intention and speed, that's very different. It can be done this way, but can be done this way. It's the best way to do it, actually. But they don't have a speed anymore. That's what is strange about it. It's like my bullet don't have a speed. Nothing has a speed except my player. So you got like 2 different movement system, one for the speed and one for everything else. Because everything else is going to be the speed. It's not really the speed, but going to be decide on the creation of the enemy or the bullet. On the fact that you instantiate them. I don't know. I'm wondering something. But I don't need it. Let's just me try to add it into my project. It's bevy using this thing. And then just need to add as a plugin we need to add that. And I need to add that. No, this thing. Very easy. I need to add that. And then when I have that, I don't know why it's not. Maybe I need to go. When I have that, what can I do now? I can give an insert. Okay, 20 is too small. Doesn't have a yeah, that's strange. Oh, because is the EAST2? It looks like it adds some maybe component to the. Because it has a system built in, Does it? Yeah, it has a system somewhere, and the system is using the. I don't know what the system does. That's what my problem. Because you don't have a system. All you're doing is that you spawn some entities, and you give them. I don't even know what it's. Give you a bevy transform component, but this thing, what's is to give you? Bevy easing is okay. So you insert a easing. That's what you insert, I think. You insert a ease. That must be it. So you can keep your first transform. It doesn't matter. I can also get rid of it. Yes, just all this code is what you need. Let me check if I can move it this way. Let me position, so I don't need that anymore. I need the fact that it's an enemy. I don't need the velocity anymore also. I just need that. I just need that. Let me do, I don't know, like, I should have, let me do that. Let me position. It's working. It's once from translation, it gets, but it's not a vector. Yeah, it's a vector, it will work. Yes, to, let's say player position. And yes, don't want to change anything. Let's just try if something happened with that. Yes, it does. It come back. Okay, it's easing this way. Interesting. Okay, that's cool. Okay. I don't know why it does that. Yeah, it's... You need to play with the easing function, I think. Got like ease method custom. It's a custom function. Maybe I didn't take the... Ping pong is going, ping pong, bounce. Yeah, that's all fast. I just want something linear. Something linear here. Bevy is function. Okay, that's all I have. Let me check if I've got an image here of translation. Yeah, don't care. Back in, back out, bounce in. I don't want it to bounce. How do you explain that? I want just it to go from one point to another linearly, like the most simple things. But I don't understand that. Let me check what I have here. Custom function, yes. Custom function is just, I could just take the speed of it, like on my custom function. Maybe I can't here. Just do X. You have an is method and an easing type. What's the difference? Oh, this easing loop repeat, okay, because it has some kind of loop. Got target, is function, and easing type. Okay, the difference. What the easing type is? Okay, loop, once, ping pong. So I just want them once. I want one once. Once. Duration, like pencil, for example. Yeah, but that's something I don't like. Is that I think it will work, but what's wrong with that? It's a time, okay. Time, duration. What I don't like with this system is that the time is going to last on the screen, make it the speed. What's wrong with that? Check. I think it's going straight to my player in 1 second. Yeah, that's what it does. It's not that bad, but yeah, it's kind of strange. That's what it is. I mean, if you have some rule like every player got spot the same way and they all disappear in the same place, it could work. I don't even know if it's destroying my my entity. Does it? If I'm doing like player position minus like 2, or is that vectory? I don't know. Is that vectory? Vectory. Minus 30, 0, 0. Check that. 1. 0, 0. I'm wondering if it disappears or not. Because I don't see any reason that it should disappear. It's not like it's killing, it must kill the entity. Make no sense. It just say move it in this place. Yeah, the entity still exists. It's like it reset the speed. It's reset the transform. Actually not that bad. It's actually not that bad. I need a bounce, you know. I need something that's going to kill entity on bounce, like component that say it's a kill on bounce. Yes, it's a placeholder component. Extremely simple. I just want to get rid of the entity that got out of the screen. For that, you also need to say that you want to go not the player position, but you want to go like minus something, you know. Let's go minus, well, not really, like the screen width. The window width, oh height, window height. Make more sense, not new. Because you don't need to say it's a vector this way. You can just say, let's just say go to 0, for example, window height minus divided by 2 times 0.5 and 0 here. And I think it should go like on the bottom left or something like that. I have an error somewhere. So we need that, I think. No. Okay, here. Window height 0.0. 0.0. Okay. Yeah. No value method 8. Ah, it's okay. It's a function. It's not going this. No, it's not going way through. Let me check why. So you got, yeah, it's minus. Minus, I think this is it. Yes, this is it. Because it's like it's minus size, and so it's minus 5. Something like that. Yeah, I'm going to move the object like that. I think it's not a bad idea. Controlling the speed is very strange, because only you player have radio speed, and every other item is not a speed, but it's like, but it can work. I mean, maybe it's not a bad system. I don't know. Let's keep it that way. So I need to, yeah, maybe I'm adding the system that's going to remove something that is bounce, and then I need to create like a spawn or something to create the enemy. Maybe for now, just going to add the kill on bounce here. So kill on bounce. The other systems that do that. I think you can get an entity also. Something like that. You get an entity. Entity here. Yes. Yeah, and you want to remove it with the commands. So you also want the commands injected. Oh, you want the command injected here. So you want the query, you want the command. On the entity, okay. So what you want, you also want the for loop. Get back the entity. It's actually a with. No, I think it's, yeah, it should be a with. It should be something like that, I think. Ah, no, because, yeah, but you want to check if it's out of bounds. I mean, it's just a marker, but you still need to use the position. You still need to use the transform. So you need the entity, the transform. And you need to do that with kill on bounds, I think. Kill on bounds. Because you want to kill on bounds, and you want also because I can still move my player out of bounds. I think I need a system for that also. Like I don't know how do you say that? Like keep the same place on bound, or yeah, I could do it there, but it make more sense to have a system for it. Because I want to warp it also. Yeah, I need a warping system. For my player. I don't need that. Yes, I need it. What's wrong? This thing? Okay. So I have the transform, I have the entities, and now I want to have a condition. But I don't need it to be mutable. So I want to return it, and I want to check if I also need the window system. I need that. So I need the windows as a resource. Doesn't need to be mutable, I don't think so. I want the window, so I want if windows.width. Yeah, let's just for now 8 divide by 2 and time 2. Well, it's always going to move on the bottom, so the bottom is minus. So something is smaller or equal the transform.x .y? No? Transform translation. .y is smaller than that. Then I need to use the commands to destroy it, something like that. Kill, shut down, destroy. Can I do that? Kill maybe? Kill, no. Remove. Remove. Entities, commands, entity, entity. Commands, entity, so you have a... What does it mean? It's to get back a specific entity. So the entity is like an ID, I think. I think the entity you get back here. Of course, I think it's like an ID. So you do command entity, entity. This is the ID, and then you can kill it. Remove. Remove. Okay. Hates, no method name hates. Windows. I need to do window again. Okay, I need to do that. Okay, cannot remove it. Type annotation need. It's maybe to remove one component. I want to destroy it. Yeah, it's to remove component. I want to remove the entity. Should be easy. Let me check in bevy example somewhere. Maybe on the main space it destroys them. Move. I think this game example, yeah. Yeah, this thing must be remove something. Must remove something. It's 3D example, maybe, I don't know. I should check the example, what's it doing? It's power bonus. Focus camera. T down. Despawn? Maybe it's despawn. Remove all entities that are not a camera. This is like a reset. It's remove everything except the camera. Yeah, that's smart. Yeah, that's really smart. Okay, so yeah, that's the way. I think the spawn is it. The spawn. Spawn. Yes. I want to despawn it. And I want to add system. Kill on bones. I also want, yeah, maybe change the movement because it's only going to move the player, so. Yeah, maybe keep it movement, but it's move everything that has velocity, but only the player is going to have a velocity. But it's not related. Yeah, let's keep it that way. That's why it's not a problem. Okay, you have kill of bonds. Technically it should despawn it when it reach the bottom of the screen. And just to check if it's working, I'm going to do my plus 30 to see if it despawned it before it reached the target. Yes, you need to be no, should work. Yeah. Swing. Yeah, it did it. It did it. So it despawned it, that's good. That's what I wanted. Okay, this is what I want. Yes, so actually need to, I don't know. You need to know the size of the entity also to despawn it correctly. I have it into the transform. Do I? I don't know. Transform. Oh, is that on the size of the sprite? I don't know actually. Yeah, but no. Maybe I need the sprite also. Just to... I think I need it just to say like sprite width or height to something else. Like minus or plus. I think, yeah, it's minus. Sprite dot width. Level width. Alright. Sprite here. He checks out. Got custom size, but I'm wondering something. I don't know. Yeah, but do I have color components or do I have a custom size component? Or do I have a sprite component? I don't know. Yeah, it's a component, so I have to have a sprite component with custom size. So I think I have that custom size. Yeah, but maybe I have something else into the sprite. Let me check. Should have function on it. Nothing. Just a basic struct. Yeah, just a basic struct. I also need to do like sprite.unwrap. Dot custom size. Dot unwrap. Dot hex or dot y because it's a vector. It's a vector too, so it should be like unwrap. Dot I think X maybe work, but maybe not. Why? Try that. Pretty soon it's going to crash. I don't know if it worked. English I also 0.5 here. I think it worked actually. You just do plus 20. I think it's going all down plus 20. Maybe it should be minus, I'm stupid. Bro, become a mess. It's not to become a mess. What's wrong with that? Call expression require function? What are you talking about? Yes, this thing is strange. Let me... So, this thing minus this thing minus 20 just for testing. I don't know. Look like it worked, but I think I'm down too. Yeah, I'm down too much. Of course, I'm down too much. Okay, it's working. Let's get rid of that. Format it. Yes. Okay, I have a key on bounds. Keyboard input. I need a WAP on bounds. I need something like wrap because I want to wrap my player. It's going to do wrap and yeah, maybe two systems for that or one, I don't know. Wrap on. Maybe you just swap player. It's not that bad because it's all it does. It's only going to be on the player. Maybe not. Maybe I could add it to bullet also. Yeah. Maybe I could add it to bullets. It should be a weapon bounce. And it's doing this. It's the same ID except. Except right now. I'm going to add it to the player. It's minus window dot width. Yeah, I need to account for the size of the this thing also. It's the exact same things. except it's X and width. I don't need the commands. Yes, I don't need that. Don't need the entity. Don't need that. It needs to be mutable also. So it needs to be a mut and mut here and mut here. Then what? Do I need the sprite? Yes, I need for the width. Yeah, I need to change the translation. So I need to do something like translation.x is equal I'm not sure. Yeah, it's the reference, it's here, so that's correct, but need to be like, so I'm going left, I need to go right, so need to be window width times 0.5 plus this thing. I am stupid. all the sprite that doesn't have the same size, of course, I'm stupid. I can do it inside the loop, actually. I'm wondering if I should, yeah, maybe I should also do that. Left and right. Don't need width. So it's window left minus sprite width. Minus the center right. And this thing give you a window right. I'm not sure of something. Maybe, yeah, it should be plus, I think. Plus sprite width. Give you window right, minus sprite width. I don't need the height. What's wrong with that? Cannot borrow, it's not declared as mutable. Yes, it is. Yes, it is not. Then the last thing, yeah, just copy that. It's gonna be some mess. So it's window left in this case, plus, I think it's correct, I don't know. Let me check if I can warp my player now. Can I warp it? Yes. Cool, that's working. Okay. This need to be faster because it's pretty slow. Let's give it time for now. Wondering if I do some refactoring. I can do really simple refactoring now. What I want also is it's not a warp on bounce, but don't move on bounce. I don't know how to, because I can go off the screen. I want to change that. Do I go off the screen? It should be like systems that do. Yes, there's a specific name for that, but I could call it block on bounce. It's a specific name. Yeah, it's pretty close to what I did here. That's because I need the 8 instead. Stop, up, down. Is that the reverse? Up is, no, up. Minus. So you want a warp on block on bounce. Also want to add it to the player. Block on bounce. When you have that, so you need the 8, the sprites, so bottom, so it's exactly the same kind of code, except it's blocking it, so it should be like, yeah, I don't know if it's going to work to just reassign it after. maybe it's going to like create jerky pattern when you are on bounce. I don't know. So all I need to do now is just add my components, my system, block and bounce. Okay, check. No, I can still go over it. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Okay. Why not? Oh, this should be why. No, still can go over it. Yes. I can go over it pretty far away, so it doesn't work at all. So window 8 up is a positive number. So translation Y, Windows up. Yeah, it's when it's greater. My Y is greater than the Windows up plus sprite 8, so it's minus here. And when it's lesser, check if it's work now. No, it doesn't. Why it doesn't work? What the fuck, man? Oh, it doesn't work at all. Yes, broken bones. Broken bones. Don't know why it doesn't work. Yeah, it's enter it. It's like it doesn't change my Y in the correct way. That's what the problem is. Yeah, of course, because it give it the same. I'm fucking stupid. I need to scale it on the window, of course. So I need to do like window I need to do exactly the same thing, but not warping it. So up, say window up minus sprite 8. Window down plus sprite 8. Okay, it's working. Yeah, I can warp it here. Okay, that's good. That's good. I'm just going to refactor a little bit. But I'll just move my components. Work on. Let's write this. Come on, Emacs. So I need a component. I need a systems, and I need a spawners. So take the component first, the easiest things. My component. Do I need that? No? Okay, don't need anything. Then I need the spawner. Yeah, let's do the system first. That's the easiest one, the system. Let's do the system first. Because all you need to do with the system is move them. And you're done. Well, I should have error somewhere, no? Yeah. Let's restart my workspace. I should have error, but everywhere, technically. But it's not the case. I don't know why. Because I don't even bring them, I think. Okay, so I have all of that now. It's very strange that I don't have error everywhere. I should have error like everywhere. It should be... But no, for some reason I don't have error. It's very strange. Yeah, there the error. They come. Here they come. But I can just do that. There's a better way to do it, but I think it's good enough for now. The prelude, and then you need use the component here. No, don't like it. Like that. Yes, because you don't have the component. Okay, so now you have it. Can you just bring the component like that? Cool. Let's bring everything. Well, not everything, but almost. Okay, so now it should work. Get rid of that. I'm not sure of something. Yeah, I think it's correct. So I bring my component. So get rid of my component. I also need. Yeah, maybe I don't need it to do it there. Yeah, hi. Let's do the spawner now. I still have an error here on the system. It doesn't want me to do that. Ah yes, of course. Because it might create, I need to say from the absolute path of my project. Still doesn't like it for some reason. Remove the wall use item. Oh, it's used. Why is it not used? I don't know. Is that good? That is good. The system is good. Now the main should have error everywhere, but it doesn't. I have nothing on the spawner. Oh yeah, I still have the setup component here. Yeah, I think. I'm surprised I should have error everywhere here also, but. For some reason I don't have error. I don't understand why, but. Let me just do a build. I'm going to have 1000 error. Okay. Yeah, this. But why don't you like it? I don't. I cannot do that? Yeah, I should be able to do that. I think it's all error. Cannot find velocity on the scope. It should, because yeah, I need to do the same thing for components. Okay. Yeah, so now I can get rid of that, of course. Maybe I should use component here, like, you know, just bring the create components, but use system here. defined multiple times. Yeah, but does it bring? It bring it. Yeah, of course. I don't need. I can use system without doing that. No. Why not? Can't find them for some reason. Maybe I need to bring the prelude into my system. Yeah, I did it. I did that, so why it doesn't work? I don't know why. Don't need that. I don't know why. Does it need to be public? I don't think so. Yeah, now I have error here. This one makes more sense now. It brings all the components, but it can't find them. Yeah, it doesn't find them for some reason. I don't know. Because it needs to be public, everything. Yes, that's why. Because when you use something, when you bring something into another library, if it's not public, it doesn't find it. Still have a strange error here. Define here, zero field component will less private. Okay, indeed. Okay. It's green because it's not used. It's defined here. Need to be pub also. That's the thing with Rust. Rust doesn't let you do anything by default, because by default everything is private. By default everything is immutable. By default only one thing can have a reference to it. So by default it's like you have to be explicit with what you want to do. Yes, so yeah, I think let's do my spawner. Do I keep the setup here? Do I keep the setup on the main? Maybe I should, maybe I should not. Do I need that also? I think yes. Yeah, let's do spawner. A spawner, you want to spawn player and spawn enemy. You want to bring the components and you want to bring this thing. Don't need system, don't need anything else. Yeah, but no, definitely you want to do that. But should it spawn it? Should you get commands? I don't know. Maybe. These things are clearly different. I don't know if I should inject what I want onto the spawn. Maybe that's what I should do. I don't know. Yes, I should inject the commands. That's for sure. Yeah, I need to inject the asset server also. And the windows. I need to inject everything. Yeah. I don't know, because you get it from every system, not as a reference, so I guess... I don't know. Maybe I should clone it, but I think it's stupid to clone it. I don't know how to do that. Yeah, I still need the window on both of them. Yeah, I need everything on the player and the enemy. Commands here. Why? Something is wrong. Yeah, it's not something I don't get. I don't know, I'm not sure. It's not an understanding conceptual problem, it's a syntax problem. It's a syntax problem. I'm just not familiar with the syntax of Rust. Yeah, this is why I don't understand, because this function take clearly on with the type, take if it's going to be with a reference. But why do I have a mut here? Why is the mut on the commands here? I don't understand why. It should be that. It should be that. You know, but it's not. It's not common. I just don't know why. I have no idea why. I think it's the reverse, like something like that, I don't know. Yes. Okay, same things. Okay. Problem of E2. Do I need to bring that? Yes. Okay, that's it. So now I just need to do spawn, player, and spawn enemy. Don't need that. I think that's it. Oh. I need that, but the spawner. Bring everything. Okay. No. Okay, should run. I should run totally. It does, but I don't see my component. Okay, why I don't see my component here? At the spawn? Why not? I don't know. Why do not? What the fuck, man? I see nothing is showing. I still call the setup here? I don't know. What's wrong with this code? I have no idea. No clue. I think it's on the spawn. There's a problem with the spawn. Yeah, it doesn't return anything. We take reference. I sent the reference here. And spawn a player and an enemy. It's like maybe it's dying after that. No, why should die? Just a reference, so. I don't know. No. I don't understand. Something is wrong. Really wrong. It doesn't show me anything. Why? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's on the setup that there is a problem, but Yeah, it's on the setup. Spawner. What's wrong with that? Cannot find my components, that's it. Yes. Yeah, what the fuck is going on? Yeah, it's... I don't understand why. I don't understand. Even if I remove everything, it's like my commands doesn't spawn anything. Doesn't spawn a sprite. For some strange reason. Yeah, what the fuck is going on? Does it even go there? Hello. Why cannot compile? Oh my god. I have no idea why. Yeah, you go there. You go there once, since you don't spawn anything, and then I can go fuck myself. What? Why? Why it doesn't spawn anything? Is I don't know. Don't know why. I, doesn't crash. It doesn't do anything specific, but yeah, after the component, it's like it doesn't run it. I don't know. It doesn't. I don't know how to debug bevy. I don't even know how to display how much entity I have or things like that. I have no idea. Yeah, it's this plugin for that, but maybe I should use this plugin that debug it. Still very strange. I don't know why. Yeah, what I don't understand is that I remove almost everything, so there's nothing happening in the code. I mean, everything is commented, and all it does is creating. Yeah, it's just triggers the setup function 1, but apparently it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work. I don't know why. Why it doesn't work? strange. Really strange. Because do I need to, I don't know. Yeah, I do a run here. What's different? Nothing is different. Still have a command, it's finish here. Doesn't return anything. This thing don't change. Should be easy to debug. I mean, I remove everything almost. I still don't show it. Why? What the fuck, man? What the? I don't know. Oh, no, it's not that. Why? Oh, you... No. I think it was because I was... No, the main is closed correctly. What the fuck is going on, man? Don't know. Have no idea. Git elif twin stage, yes. Doesn't help. Ah, I know why. I removed the camera. No, I did that. I removed the camera. That's why. Like an idiot, I removed the camera. No, then you did that. Was obvious. Yes. So it's warping. Cannot go there. Cannot go there. Okay. What is this green? Component not expanded. Proc macro. What does it mean? What does it mean? Oh, it's good. Okay, so I think next step is going to have player shooting stuff. It's not complicated. Enemy shooting stuff, and after that, having a timing, kind of timing event that spawn player, but you know, like in a data way. I mean, like I just say at this time, because it's like it's going to be a game that's only based on time, and every player that appear on the screen is going to be depending on the time of the time of the game. So like at 2 seconds pop this ring in this place. You need to be in a data way, not like code, but when you say it like, I don't know, maybe a thermal file or something like that to say do it. Or I don't know, I'm going to do that. I have to think about it, but well, that's it. Bye bye.